Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our vision lesson today is the converse of Pythagoras theorem and classifying the triangle according to its angles. So here the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Do you remember the Pythagoras theorem? The Pythagoras theorem says that if we have a right angle triangle and we have two side lengths of it, we can get the third side length. So here in a triangle ABC, if AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared, then the measure of angle B is 90, is right angle. So it is a converse. What is the meaning of converse? In the previous term, or in the previous year, academic year, in prep 1, you are told that you have a right angle triangle. So right angle is in the given. Here it's not in the given, it is required to prove. So here I have a triangle ABC and I have the all side length of it. I have the side length أنا معايا الsides كلهم 3 4 5, but the required is to prove that this angle is right angle. So AB squared equals AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. Then after catching this info, we can prove that the measure of angle B is 90 degree, is a right angle. So the steps to prove that, we have an example here. ABCD is a quadrilateral, and the quadrilateral means it has 4 sides. Measure of angle B is 90 degree, BC 3 centimeters, AB 4 centimeters, CD is 12, DA is 13. Prove that the measure of angle ACD is 90 degree, this angle. Okay, so proof in triangle ABC. So we'll start from this, or we will start with this triangle ABC. Since the measure of angle B is 90 degree, so AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. To get the length of AC, we will make the square of AB plus the square of BC, and then we will make a square root. So AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. AC squared equals 4 power 2 plus 3 power 2. AC squared equals 25. So to get AC, we will make a square root of 25, which is equal 5 centimeters. And then we will go to the next triangle, ACD. So we already have this is 5. So in the triangle ADC, what do we have here? We have all the side lengths. We have the length of DA, the length of AC, the length of DC, 13, 5, 12. So from this given, if we have here the all side length, can we prove that it is a right angle triangle or not? Yes. How? AD squared is 13 power 2, 169. And so the first important thing is to make a square, to make a squared or a power 2 to the greatest side length in the triangle. This is the first step. And the second step, make a square root, or make a squared or a power 2 to the other two sides and the sum of them. If the sum of them is the same as the greatest power 2, the sum of them for each one of them power 2 equals the greatest side power 2, so it is a right angle triangle. As we see here, AD squared equals AC squared plus CD squared. They are the same value, 169. So we can get that AD bar 2 equals AC bar 2 plus CD bar 2, then the measure of angle ACD is 90 degree. So the measure of angle ACD because it is the opposite angle to the greatest side. So if we have like this example here, the triangle ACD, we have here the three side lengths, and we have one of them part 2 equals the other side part 2 plus the third side part 2. Okay, they have the same value, they are the same. So what is the right angle here? The right angle, is it the angle D, the angle DAC, the angle DCA? What is it? Is the angle that opposite to the greatest side, the side with length 13 here in this example. So what is the angle that opposite to side DA? It is the angle ACD. So the angle ACD is a right angle, and this triangle is a right angle triangle. We have here another example. ABC is a triangle. AD perpendicular to BC. BD is 1. DC is 4. AD is 2. Okay, so prove that the measure of angle BAC is 90 degree. In the triangle ABD, let's start with this triangle here, the triangle ABD. And we already know that it is a right angle triangle because AD is perpendicular to BC. So the measure of angle ADB is 90 degree. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to get AB. So AB squared equals AD bar 2 plus DB bar 2 equals 2 bar 2 plus 1 bar 2. So AB bar 2, it is B, AB bar 2 equals what? Equals 5. So to get AB without power 2 يبقى الباور 2 بتاع ال AB is 5, so AB is root 5 or square root 5. So we have here the length of AB bar 2, which is equal 5, AB bar 2. Let's go to the other triangle, ADC. In triangle ADC, in the triangle ADC we have what? We have the measure of angle ADC is 90 degree, and we can get that AC bar 2 equals DC bar 2 plus AD bar 2. Why? Because this is the Pythagoras theorem. So AC bar 2 equals 4 bar 2 plus 2 bar 2. 4 bar 2 is 16 and 2 bar 2 is 4. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So AC bar 2 equals what? Equals 20. Okay. So the square root of it is 2 root 5. So we have here this side length, and it is given this side length. 4 plus 1 is 5. So how can we prove that this angle is right angle triangle? I mean the triangle ABC. So AB bar 2 plus AC bar 2 is 20 plus 5. So 20 plus 5 is 25. And we will make a power 2 of BC. BC bar 2 is because it equals 5, so the power 2 of it is 25. So because BC bar 2 equals AB bar 2 plus AC bar 2, then the measure of angle BAC is 90 degree, and this triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, so I need you to solve these two examples. They are very easy. Complete and show which of the following triangles is a right angled triangle. We have here number 1, a triangle. Its side length are 7 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. It is so easy to get. Number 2, we have LMN, a triangle. LM equals 12 centimeters, MN is 13 centimeters, LN is 5 centimeters. Is it a right angle triangle or not? So easy to know. So let's go to another important lesson. Classifying triangles according to their angles. In any triangle, the sum of side length, and we already know this, if we have any triangle, the sum of two side lengths is bigger than the third. The sum of any two sides of it is bigger than the third side. So if we have a triangle ABC, AB plus BC is bigger than AC. AC plus AB is bigger than BC. AC plus BC is bigger than AB. In any triangle ABC, if AC is the longest side, AC is the greatest side، أكبر side عندنا هو AC. So if AC bar 2 equals AB bar 2 plus BC bar 2، نجيب أكبر side ده هو AC. ممكن if we have another triangle, it may be XYZ, LMN, whatever. First catch the biggest side and then make part 2 of it. Then the other two sides, make part 2 of each one of them. So as you see here, we have AC bar 2. If it is equals AB bar 2 plus BC bar 2, then we have a right angle triangle, and B is right angle. Why B? Because it is the opposite side of AC. By another way, it is the missing letter from the triangle ABC in this AC. So, and the triangle name is ABC. So AC here is the missing letter is B. So B is a right angle. Okay, so if AC bar 2 equals AB bar 2 plus bigger than, it's not equal. So in the second one here, AC bar 2 is bigger than, it's not equals, it's bigger than AB bar 2 plus BC bar 2, then angle B is an obtuse angle triangle. This triangle is an obtuse angle triangle, and B is the obtuse angle. If AC squared and AC is the longest side, AC squared less than AB bar 2 plus BC bar 2, then B is an acute angle triangle. Example: determine the type of the triangle ABC according to its side length or its angles. So we have here the three side lengths, 4, 5, and 7. How can we know if it is right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle? The first, catch the biggest side. It is 7. So make a bar 2 of it. It is 49. Okay, so the bar 2 of 7 is 49. And the other two sides, 5 bar 2 is what? Is 25. 4 bar 2 is what? Is 16. So is the biggest side squared equals the other side squared plus the third side squared. So we'll add 25 to 16. 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 and the carry up 1, 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4, so 41. So the sum of these two squared sides is 41, and this one is 49, which is bigger. 49 is bigger. So which case of these three cases? We have here the squared of one of the biggest is bigger than the squared of the other two sides, so it is an obtuse angle triangle. So what is the obtuse angle here is B. Why? Because AC is the biggest side. Let's go to the other one. The other one here we have AB 5 centimeters, BC 13 centimeters, AC 12 centimeters. So how can we know the type of this triangle according to its angles? So it is so easy to know. What is the first step? The first step is to catch the biggest side, which is BC. Make a power 2 of it. Okay, so go to the other two sides, make a power 2 of 12, make a power 2 of 5, and check. And tell me in the comments. Number 3. AB is 11 centimeters, BC is 8 centimeters, AC is 9 centimeters. How can we know that if it is a right angled triangle, an obtuse angled triangle, an acute angled triangle? First, catch the biggest side. It is 11, AB. Then, remind me, what is the next step after catching the longest side? Perfect. Make a bar 2 of it. So 11 bar 2. And then, the other two sides, AC and BC. What will we do is to make a power 2 of each one of them. 9 bar 2, 81, 8 bar 2, 64, and check. Check using this rule. Okay? It is so easy. We have an example here. In the opposite figure, measure of angle ABC is 90 degree, and AB is 4, AC is 5, BD perpendicular to AC. Find the length of BC, AD, BD, and the area of the triangle ABC. And before start to solve this example, remember that the area of the triangle, any triangle, equals half by base by height. Try to solve it. Goodbye.